yes. That's a good story. I like that. Okay. And let's talk about where we just came from. So tell us a little about, I think you're better at telling this. So go ahead.
So we were just upstairs here at the Fondazione Prada, which sounds very fancy because it's related to Prada, but it's not. It's just an art space here in Milan. And we went to go see an exhibit from a woman named Miranda, who's an American who makes incredible, fun art that connects between the audience.
Yes.
And if you're in Milan, you should go see it. It's on for another month or so. And it's absolutely wonderful. You want to see a genius American artist and all of her work over the years. This is the place to go.
You could see you can actually go and sit and watch one of the films that she did, which was
New Society.
And we stayed for how long? Probably
20 minutes.
20 minutes, and there was a little bit more, but we stayed for most of it, and it was wonderful. And now you said I have to see her other 3 films.
Yes.
Which are? Do you remember the name?
Yeah, I do. There's one of her first ones is called You and Me and Everyone We Know.
Okay.
And then there's another one called The Future, and the newest one is called Gazillionaire, and they're all wonderful, wonderful films. Must-see, crazy, kooky art films. They're great.
Cookie art films?
Yeah, kooky. That's another good one.
Kooky, like crazy. Crazy, yeah. Kooky. I understood cookie. So kooky meaning a little off, a little mad, crazy.
Yep.
Good, fun.
Yeah.
And okay. So, and we even looked them up to see where I could see them, because I would like to see them, especially after having seen one of a sample of her work, which I was unfamiliar with until today. Hate to say it, but it was. I can see them on Prime,
and I think probably Netflix.
Okay. So we can see them and you can see them, but you should come because it's an exhibit where you actually are part of the fun. Yeah, it's great.
They're so good.
Okay.
Miranda, check it out.
Yes. Great. And it just reopened today. Today is August 28th. I was behind 2 days, and it opened at 2:00 because at 1:58 the elevator did not take us up. At 2:00 it will take you straight up. So be on time. It's very Swiss. Yeah.
And afterwards you can see all the flâneurs walking around the square here, milling about.
While you have a coffee at this beautiful place, which we are dressed in the colors. We knew we were coming here.
We knew.
Okay, good. So you learned a few words today, if you didn't know them. A lot. I wonder how much you understood. Tell me, I'm curious. And if you like this kind of longer version, I think I have to keep Kai nearby for weeks, months.
Content, Kai.